Hi everyone, this is Jason Zach from Nathaniel School of Music. In this part, we are going to start focusing on a few more genres which the Oompa rhythm that we learned from part 1 can go in towards. We've looked at predominantly salsa and dance music in part 2. Now, in this part, let's do a couple of things. Let's figure out a few common genres. Of course, I'm going to save the subcontinental or the Indian genres for the last part. So stay tuned to part 4. In this part, we are going to focus on a very commonly used rhythm. For waltz, we look at reggae. We'll also try and look at a few odd time signatures at the very end. So get your pianos out, get the notation on our Patreon, and you can support our channel by hitting the subscribe and hit that bell, which is very important to get regular notifications, especially for a 4-part series like this one. Okay, so let's get cracking. The first rhythm style I have for you would be reggae. Now this follows from the previous lesson where we learned the tresillo, the dance style and so on, and the disco. So the way to get reggae is to first slow down the oompa a lot. Oompa, 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 oompa. And now think of swing, a 2 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and at the E of the 2 you bring in this ghost note, E and a 2 E and a pa. And I'm taking it over the same chord progression as we've been doing, pa, pa, pa. So it doesn't actually sound traditionally reggae because these chords are not used in a lot of reggae songs. But things gonna be alright, yeah. Everything's gonna be alright, yeah. Oh, no woman, no cry. I don't know what I'm singing right now, but I'm sure you can suggest a few songs in the description that go with this rhythm pattern. Alright, everything's gonna be alright, yeah. Back to our chord progression. And I like to change the chords a bit faster for reggae. So this is also good, but and reggae sounds good both slow and fast in my opinion. The key is to get this ghost note at the 1 E and 2 E and ghost note also means you flick it. It's very, very soft. I've done an exclusive video on reggae, so do check it out in the description. So, we've covered reggae. What about using the oompa to play some good old rock music? So, you just double up your left hand, oompa, 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 oompa. Immediately you get a kind of a we will rock you vibe. Oompa. I don't know how you want to call it. So this could be a good rock rhythm. With the passing note. With a nice passing note there. Ghost note. Rock and roll, yeah. Left, left, right. A left, left, right. Left, left, right is the secret for rock music, you could say. Okay, enough of 4x4. We've been only doing 4x4 until now. So let's look at what else. 3x4. Traditionally, we call it waltz. So the basic waltz rhythm is super easy. Instead of doing oompa, 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 you just add an extra beat and you get waltz. Oompa, pa, oompa, pa, oompa, pa. And of course, bring in our fifth. Oompa, pa, oompa, pa, oompa. The trick to the waltz rhythm is to blend your staccato and legato, pa, So staccato, legato. These are a few of my favorite things. With the passing notes. Bum ba bum bum. Ba 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 ba. Bum 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 bum. You can see the notation as well. Bum 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 bum. I've given you some passing notes. Bum bum ba de do ra de re ra de ra de bum 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 bum. There we go. So that was your basic waltz. You can always add some busyness to the waltz. Things like so I'm actually playing the right hand at the ands instead of the on beats. 1 boom boom boom. 1 2 3 4 5 6. You can even consider that as a 6/8, Right, and in Indian music, we also have a few grooves that will be on 3. Here's one of them. So this is something you could say is a bit more on the South Indian folk framework. 2 3 1 2. This is basic waltz. 1 dun dun. While if you want to make it a bit more Indian, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2. You can add those hands and mix and match, basically. I think that's the way to go about it. But this is one concrete rhythm for you. As always, float between the root and the fifth. Quite a busy groove going on, right? Of course, a lot more Indian rhythms coming your way when we start dividing the beat by 3, or subcontinental rhythms, you could say. And just to add on to this, we've come up with a 3/4. If ever you want to do this over a 5/4 or other time signatures, it's not too far fetched. You just have to count to that rhythm. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 1. And if you want to swing it, you just think of a song which is in 5. Let's say Dave Brubeck's Take 5. So 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Bam 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 5 1. As long as it kind of latches on to that 5 structure. Boom, 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 boom. Or you're following a groove. What about maybe a 7? 3 4 5 6 7. 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3. We could consider this 7 8. 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and you get the idea. You just have to count up to that framework, and it's just modifications of Oompa. So in this tutorial, we've covered a few more genres: reggae, rock, waltz, some Indian folk. Moving forward to the next part, we're going to look at, you could call it subcontinental folk music rhythms, or you can just say triplets. So let's explore the world of triplets and cap off this 4-part series. Don't miss it. Head over to the playlist. You'll find all the parts neatly given there for you, and get the notation for the entire series on our Patreon. Please support us there, and you'll also get my handwritten notes. And if you want something a bit more organized, you can always consider a semester at our school. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the bell. Now would be very nice. Thank you. See you in the next one. Cheers.